the Sita Mata. Siva Samarambham Sankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vanduru Paramparam Namami Dharmanilayam Karunam Vedamataram Namami Visjananim Ramachandrehi Istavallabham. Sita Mata. Sita Mata is considered as the philosophical ideal of Vedas. That is the reason of naming her as Vaidehi. There was an epic recitated in Brahmavevarta Puranam, Brahmanam and Valmiki Ramayana. Why Sita was considered as the citation of Vedas? Vedavati was the daughter of at the time directions of the earth. That's why she was named as Vedavati. She was very beautiful and turned into the complete devotee of Sri Mahavishnu. She considered herself as the gifted to Sri Mahavishnu. She has dreamt of surrendering all herself to Lord. During such period, once a cruel Rakshasa happened to see Vedavati meditating and got attracted towards her. Then Rakshasa approached her parents and demanded to get her married, but her mother held her father. At this, her mother died. To escape from this Rakshasa, Vedavati ran for help to Muni's ashram, got her shelter and continued her work. She happened to see Vedavati and got admired for her beauty. Recently towards her, disturbed with the acts of Na, Vedavati cursed him that I will take birth at your place, grown elsewhere, and be the very reason of your death. After some years, Vedavati was born from a lotus in a pond in the city of Lanka. Ravana's wife, Mandodari, brought her to the palace. Astrologers of the palace warned Ravana that she might be the very cause of destruction of the empire. Considering the words of the Pandits, Ravana thought of killing the child. But the assassination of a female being a sin, he ordered his men to get rid of the baby girl. The soldiers put the baby in a wooden casket and left the ocean. With the god's grace, the casket reached the Mithila Empire. The king Mithila Empire, Janaka Maharaja, had no children, for which he planned a yajna. While performing for this yajna, he was asked to plough the holy land by himself. In this process, he was struck with the wooden casket. He then removed the casket and found a smiling female baby in it. King Janaka considered the baby as the gift from God and named her Sita, meaning the pot of a plough. This is the great story of Vedavati born as Sita. She is considered as the Swarupini, which means a person with great. She is the role model for Indian Samskriti and Sampradayam, not only for Indians but for all mankind. She is the gifted with great qualities, Nischala Patibhakti, and respecting elders, and Dharmanishta, Dheka, Vivekam, Sausiyam, strong willpower during difficulties, forgiveness and kindness, etc. During hard times, nature and character of the human being will be expressed. Typically, normal human beings will reach their goals only with God's grace, but great will be able to reach their targets even though the conditions are not favorable. They will fight with the full confidence to make their clear path. The same great character can be seen in Sita. In the crucial time, while Ravanasura taking Sita with him, even in this condition, she acted through her mind. She has taken out her ornaments, formed into a bundle in a cloth, and throw them on a rishi. Bhavishyati kinchit prayojanam. While throwing the ornament, she thought that they may be useful in future. That found to be a Karan was in search of Sita. This act of throwing the ornaments during the gleeful period showed her timely thought and act. Characters of Sita like Pativrata and patience was wonderfully described by Valmiki in his Sundara Kanda. In Ashokavanam, Sita surrounded by the cruel Rakshasas. Sita was not turned down by the magic and warning of Ravana. She continued for Rama for 12 months in Ashokavanam without proper food and sleep. She paid least preference to those Ras who were criticized. Nova Rajyahinova Yome Bhakta Same Guruhu. Ravana pressurized several times to marry him. He added that Rama, being a normal human being, cannot defeat him. Sita replied with full confidence, Vinasakale Viparita Buddhi. Though you have taken Amrutam, you are going to die in the hands of Rama. You are well known about the power of Rama. You cannot defeat them, knowing that you have captured me in their absence like a thief. You are going to face the consequence of your actions. Sita is the person with high mental strength and self-confidence. In the critical conditions in Ashokavanam, Sita finds only one stretched around 100 yojanas. Whenever she opens her eyes, she only finds who were evil and dangerous. There were none to console her. She only can hear the threatenings and warnings given by Ravanasura. In this critical condition, she never lost her self-confidence, strength, and hope. Also, with a great courage, she faced her fears and stayed intact and made sure of her well-being and propagated that she is a great Indian woman. Her confidence itself is a victory. On seeing her self-confidence and mental strength, Sura stolid. The sight of Sita in Ashokavanam, Hanuman's heart drenched in pain. He went to Sita and asked her, Mother, sit on my back. I will take you to Rama. But she did not agree. She said, only if Rama comes and destroy the kingdom of would be sensible to come along. This shows her admiration towards her husband and that she believes in him. She not only admires and him, but also protects him from vague statements. She wants to show the value and purpose of Ramabanam. She argued with Hanuman not to kill the Rakshasa who tortured her in Ashokavanam because they were just following the order given by their kings. Papanam va shubhanam va nadarpanam plavangum karyam karunamathena nakaschitna rajyati. Sita admires and believes only in Rama, but he does her after the rescue from Ravana. The Rama was the real Agni Pariksha to Sita. Even then, she had not lost her self-confidence. Shuddha Trishulokeshu Mithila Janakatmaje Nahi Hatum Mitham Tiratmavatayata. According to Valmiki, on reading of the great characters of Sita, the female folk can Kavyam Ramayanam Krishnam Sitayaha Chammahat. Once Valmiki stated that Ramayana is also called as Sita Charitam, which means that the main background of birth and life of Sita was to kill Ravana. Sita is such a woman who gets prized even by her enemies like Mandodari. Conclusion. Women have a great power not known to them called Sri Shakti Pralayantakam. Here are some reasons to ignore the above statement. Rama went on Aranyavasam because of women Kaikeyi and Mandhara. Ravana abducted Sita of Surpanaka, though it is killing, prizing, giving birth, it is all up to women. So, Jai Sitaram.